Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Naved Khan. This is the day 13 of SQL LeetCode problem series. And here we solve 570 managers with at least 5 direct reports. If you are new in this channel, make sure like the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Here we have a table. The table name is employee. And here we have a column and type. There are 4 columns in this table. The first one is ID, name, department, and manager ID. Here, ID is the primary key column with a unique value for this table. Each rows of this table indicate the name of an employee, their department, and the ID of their manager. If manager ID is null, then the employee does not have a manager. No employee will be the manager of themselves. Here we have to write a query, write a solution to find managers with at least 5 direct reports. Return the result in the table any order. So here we have a table and this is our output. So here what we have to check here, actually we have to check at least 5 direct report. Okay. So here we have an employee table and here ID and here some data like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this is our column ID, name, department and manager ID. Here we have to print what where the manager ID is null. So we have to print John. But one thing is twist here. Here mention find manager with at least 5 direct reports. Okay, and here the mention if manager ID is null, then the employee does not have a manager. No employee will be the manager of themselves. Okay, so here we go and write the query for this question. So firstly we write select, then we write name because we have to print here name from our table name. What is our table name is? Our table name is employee. So we take as a E and the second table we have to join, and here we don't have the second table but we join this table again. So here we write joint operation and here we write employee and here we write E2 and we take this is for E1 and this name we have to print here. So we take as a E2. Okay, then what do we have to do here? We have to do here on. Now we write E1 dot manager ID. Manager ID, yes, and then here E2 for ID only for this, and even for manager ID for this, and now we go and write here group by clause, and this we use for grouping E1 dot manager ID, and here we take having clause. So we write having like this, and here we write count even dot id is greater than, here mention is greater than or equal to, I think, yes, at least 5 direct reports. So here we write equal to 5 direct report. Now run this code and result is so, yes, this is accepted. Now submit the code. This is accept all 11 out of 11 test cases passed. So we will meet in the next video. If you are new in this channel, so please go in the description and check the videos.